FUJI Escalator, 30 years of exquisite technology. Achieves typical model of superior quality. FUJI Escalator, graceful streamlined model. Unique detailed design, creating beauty and fashion in static, and flowing status of building, endowing space with flexible beauty. FUJI Escalator undertakes transportation mission of passenger flow, which is committed in quality and advantageous in carrying. High-strength truss in overall machine, with adaptation of steel with superior quality, capable and vigorous structure, with disposable of antiseptic treatment, achieving long service and durable life. The main control system adopts unique SPE series FG PLC control system, satisfying UL/CUL standard in Europe. Real-time monitoring over operation status, guaranteeing safety of passengers. High-mesh main engine drive achieves stable operation with low noise. Equipped with FJ exclusive frequency converter, greatly reducing torque ripple, increasing life of frequency converter, making operation more stable and comfortable. Variable frequency drive, which can control speed automatically, based on passenger flow, with obvious energy conservation efficiency. Each driver element is coordinated, the design of stair pulley with large diameter. FUJI's exclusive patented invention. Stair chain, application chainboard, gradual hear treatment, and chain wheel reinforcement disposal make FUJI Escalator have longer service life than common escalator. The guide rail system adopts rail with large size, realizing vertical positioning with high precision, ensuring smallest interval between stairs. Infrared induction device in entrance for flexible testing controls automatically operation of escalator through microcontroller, realizing optimum energy conservation effects. Concave and convex gears tread design, makes skid resistance and realizes safe ride. Apron bush is installed in both sides of elevator to prevent entrance of external objects into elevator. Moving direction indicator can be installed in entrance of hand strap to ensure safe ride of passengers. PLC automatic oiling and lubrication system makes self-lubrication of transmission chain in the operation process of escalator to relieve daily maintenance and extend service life of transmission institution. Heating device can be installed in upper, middle, and lower area to realize preheat effect as to elevator, promoting realizably safe ride in extreme weather. FUJI Escalator optimizes quality with details all the time, achieving heavy load with safety. The overall machine is installed with 29 safety protection devices, like anti-reversal protection and protection over drive chain braking, and stair chain braking, detecting device over stair loss, comprehensively improving safety level of escalator operation. In addition, FUJI Group makes researches and develops escalator with high exterior height without middle support, and public transportation escalator, integrating high level of performance, high level of energy conservation, explaining extra beauty of three-dimensional city transportation. Transportation expert with superior quality. FUJI Escalator.